Hello, in this session we're going to continue on with the VirtueMart configuration. This is video 2, so you would have seen the configuration here in the last video of the actual system. What I'm going to do now is configure the store itself. So click on the store button on the left hand side. Okay, and we'll go directly to Edit Store. Okay, here we get information about the store itself. Again, we can put in our own information here. So again, just delete out what needs to be deleted there. Put in your own information, your own country, etc. I'll just put in Ireland here. Phone number, code. Okay, store address, the owner. Again, phone numbers, fax number, an email address you're going to use. Also here, if you look at scroll down a little bit, we can get the currency. Okay, in this case I'm going to use euro. By default it's coming in at US dollar. So I'll set the euro symbol here. Okay, to 2 decimal places, and then a list of any other currencies you will be accepting. Okay, again you the reason I'm clicking apply here is just to see that I've uploaded the logo correctly. So there's the actual golf shop logo that I've decided to use. So I'm happy enough with that. Again, just under the logo there you can see you have minimum and max, minimum purchase and minimum amount for purchase if you decide to use that with the shipping fee. So I'm just going to save that. Again, you can go back in at any time and configure the actual and edit the actual store itself. Okay, coming over here, list payment methods, very important. The payment methods, okay, are what you are going to accept as payments. So when somebody goes to the checkout with their goods, what payment options have they? And as you can see here, there's a few set up by default. You have credit card. Okay, if you intend to manually process, I'm just going to turn that on off. This is, again, you have some of the bigger ones there, like 2Checkout, eCheck, eWay. I'm going to turn off ePay here. I'm just switching these off. The only one I'm going to leave on is actually cash on delivery, so I'll be able to test away here. I'm just going to turn off PayPal and VeriSign PayFlow. Okay, and I'll turn off purchase order. Again, you can go back into any one of these and turn them on as you see fit. Okay, so again, I'm happy enough. I'm just going to leave cash and delivery there for the time being. Again, we'll cover it in another video more on payment gateways. Okay, again, I can add a payment method. My shipping card module list, my credit card list, etc. Okay, now once you've done that, we can now set up the tax. So come down here to tax, and if you look at list tax rates, there's a default tax rate in there already. And as you can see there, it's the USA one, CA for California, so it's 8%. We'll just set I'm going to set the Irish VAT here. So the VAT, so I'm going to choose the country Ireland. I'm just going to edit this one, Ireland. Okay, and it's 21.5% is our VAT rate at the moment. So that's the higher rate of VAT. So I'll save that. Okay, I can put in the second rate of VAT of 12.5% as well if I need to. But just for the time being, I'm just going to leave the VAT rate there at 21%. Okay, again, shipping. If we look at our shipper, now if you remember back in our configuration, okay, we said we'd have a standard shipping rate. Okay, so we'll just put one. I'll just have a new one here. Okay, and I'll just call this standard. Okay, list order will be 1, and I'll save that. And I'm going to set a shipping rate for this one. So if I create shipping rates, okay, and new. Okay, so again, so S is just there. Okay, so that's STD. Okay, list order 1. Okay, now again, the you can select a number of countries here by just holding down the control key. Just going to select Ireland for the time being, and have different rates going from different locations. Okay, I'm going to set the lowest rate here, or the lowest weight, 5 zeros, and the highest 6 zeros, and the highest 9. Okay, we'll say we'll have a standard fee of a fiver and a packaging fee of 2. Currency we'll have is the euro. I missed that. Euro. Okay, once I'm happy with that, I can click save. So I've more or less now got everything in place now, ready to actually get the shop in order. I can remember I can come back in and change any of these as I'm moving along. Okay. So now I'm ready to start entering products into the system. Okay, this video now is coming up near the 7-minute mark, so I'll close this one and start the third video on entering products. Thank you for your attention.